Apple cider vinegar is really popular. People use it for weight loss, blood sugar control, improving digestion, detoxification, cure cancer. Of course, some of them are true, some of them are myths, and we will discuss which of them are truth and correct and which of them are just urban legends. First and most important and scientifically backed and evidenced effect of apple cider vinegar is lower blood glucose level and improves insulin resistance. And what it means in real life, it means if you eat one bagel with butter and drink orange juice, your blood glucose level will spike. But if you drink 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar before this meal, your blood glucose spike will be 25% less. So it will decrease blood glucose level. It's very important. Why it's important? Because high blood glucose level causes inflammation in the body. And if this inflammation is only temporary and it happens once, it's okay. But if it happens constantly and chronically, then it damages tissues. It damages heart, damages blood vessels, and eventually we have serious disease such as diabetes, heart disease, cardiovascular disease, and eventually we get heart attack, stroke, and diabetes and serious diseases, even sometimes cancers also. So inflammation is a huge problem for body, chronic inflammation, and apple cider vinegar helps to reduce this inflammation because it prevents these blood glucose spikes. That's why it's very important. And also it improves insulin resistance. What means improves insulin resistance at this case? It helps glucose to transport into muscles. Why? Muscles burns glucose very easily. And if we have glucose in the muscles, it's not problem because muscle will use it. Glucose is problem when it's in the blood. So apple cider vinegar helps glucose transport into muscles, and it means improved insulin sensitivity, and it improves insulin sensitivity almost 35%, and it's really effective and really important. Medically, it's really significant improvement. Now let's say another important effect of apple cider vinegar, it's weight loss. And what we know if person intakes 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar before meal 2 times a day for 12 weeks, this person will weight loss around 4 pounds. 4 pounds, around 2 kilograms in 12 weeks. So it may seem not very impressive, but actually it's very important weight loss because apple cider vinegar shows this constantly. It shows this effect, weight loss effect in various studies. So it's important effect. And why it happens? It happens because of we already said about stabilized glucose level, and also it slows down gastric emptying, and person feels full more prolonged period of time, and person consumes less calories throughout the day, and person starts weight loss. That's the mechanism. Now let's say what are the important myths of apple cider vinegar. First and most important myth is cure cancer. It does not cure cancer. It does not treat cancer. There is no study which can show that it has some effect. There is no such study, so it's not scientific if we say that it cures cancers. Of course, it's not cure cancer. And another myth is detox and cleanse. It does not detox our body because we have detox organs in our body, and it's liver, its kidneys, and its intestines, and they detox our body very well and very effectively, and very efficiently. But apple cider vinegar does not detox our body. It's also meat. And another limitations and controversies. Controversial is diarrhea and constipation, because some people says that it's anecdotal stories that say apple cider vinegar helps for diarrhea or helps for constipation, but for some people it has opposite effect and it irritates gastrointestinal tract. Also, same is true in case of GERD or acid reflux. During acid reflux, it may further irritate esophagus when person has heartburn. Sometimes people intake apple cider vinegar to treat heartburn, but it's not correct, because apple cider vinegar is acid. It's strong acid, and if person has acidity and acid reflux, acid back into throat, then esophagus is irritated, and if you add acid, it further irritates esophagus and gastric, so it's not true also. And if person intakes undiluted apple cider vinegar, it can cause dental problems and dental damage, because it's acid, and acid irritates and causes erosion of teeth. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you for your interest. Thank you for your watching. If you like my videos, please thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye for now.